bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today we are making a lovely and very crunchy watermelon mint lip and cuticle butter. You'll need just 5 simple ingredients for this cuticle butter. The bulk of this lip and cuticle butter is new to me watermelon oil. So this was a gift from Mystic Moments, and we do have a discount code for them, which you'll find in the blog post linked below. Watermelon oil is a really lightweight, fast-absorbing carrier oil. As it sinks in, I find it leaves an almost powdery finish to the skin, which is really luxurious. If you'd like to learn more about watermelon oil or perhaps substitute it for something that you already have, please make sure you are reading the encyclopedia entry on it on humblebeeandme.com. There's a lot of really useful information in there. In addition to the watermelon oil, we also have some lanolin, which is a really wonderful emollient for dry, irritated skin, which pretty well sums up the state of my lips and cuticles in February. I chose to thicken this mixture to a nice creamy buttery consistency with stearic acid rather than a wax. Stearic acid is a naturally occurring saturated fatty acid. You'll find quite a lot of it in butters like shea butter and cocoa butter. When used in its isolated form, I find it lends a wonderful buttery thickness to our products without waxiness. So it's a wonderful way to both thicken things and add richness without any waxiness. For that reason, I really don't recommend swapping out the stearic acid. This product is finished off with a little bit of peppermint essential oil and some vitamin E to help extend the shelf life by delaying the onset of rancidity. The whole thing's very easy to make, and if you make a relatively small batch, it comes together really quickly too, since it doesn't take very long to heat up or cool down. But come on, let's get started. We'll begin by weighing out the ingredients for our heated phase into this small bowl. So we are going to need 3.6 grams stearic acid, 5.88 grams watermelon oil, and this is from Mystic Moments. And our last ingredient is some lanolin, and we'll need 2.4 grams of this. Lanolin is so sort of sticky and tricky to work with, and you can kind of see that I like to use 2 spoons to measure it out. To melt this through, I'm going to pop the bowl in a water bath. So this is a small flat bottom saucepan that has about 1 inch or 3 centimeters of water in the bottom of it. And I'm going to go put this on the stovetop over medium heat for about 20 minutes until everything has melted through. Once the heated phase is melted, you can remove the water bath from the heat and then remove your bowl from the water bath. So our next phase, or stage, is going to be cooling this as we stir it. So I'm going to pop the bowl in a water bath. So that's a small bowl that has just a little bit of ice kind of on the bottom. And oh man, this happens fast. Not surprising, really tiny batch. Okay, well, we are definitely done with this. So our next step is going to be stirring in our cool down phase ingredients. You can see them off to the side there. We're going to need 0.06 grams each vitamin E and peppermint essential oil. So I'm gonna pop this on our scale quickly and weigh those into the bowl. So with that all thoroughly blended together, we are ready to package up this gorgeous, creamy lip and cuticle butter. For packaging, I'm using this beautiful matte screw top aluminum tin from Humblebee. So you can see that our 12-gram batch fits perfectly in this 1/2 ounce or 15 milliliter tin. So here's the version we just made, and here's a version that is over a week old, just so you can see how it settles out. So it's quite firm once it does settle down. You can remember from when we were filling this, it's quite a bit softer than this, but it is really quite creamy, which is really what we want. We want something that we can steer, and that's really quite rich and gorgeous. You can massage it into your cuticles easily, and it also makes a really gorgeous lip butter. And there you go. So we just made a gorgeous watermelon mint cuticle and lip butter. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and please remember to check out the blog post, the partner blog post for this project, which is linked in the description box below. There you'll find a lot more information about it, including full written recipe, information on substitutions, scaling, shelf life, links to places to purchase all of the ingredients, a coupon code for the watermelon seed oil, and a whole lot more. So thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.